Everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to solve a LeetCode question. I have started practice LeetCode on my own since a couple of weeks, and I want to document this journey as I go along. I just want to put it across that I won't be uploading a lot of videos relating to LeetCode because obviously there are plenty of them existing already and I don't want to reinvent the wheel. So I hope the audience finds it useful, and I'll be uploading only those videos uh, which I find useful for me to revisit at a later stage in my interview prep. So yeah, that's the intro, and let's start. So it won't take long. I mean, I'll just solve it and just submit it, and we'll just talk a brief on that, and we'll wrap up. So yeah, the title of the question is ToSum, very catchy, and it says given an array of integers nums and an integer target, we have to return the indices of the two numbers of that integer uh, of that integer sorry of that nums array such that the sum of those two numbers should be equal to target. The assumption that we can make is that there will be exactly one solution for each input, and we're not supposed to use the same element twice, and we have the liberty to return the answer in any order. Obviously we have to return an array, so the order of the numbers doesn't matter. So we can start off by instantiating an array of size 2. So we'll call it result result equal to new int of 2, and we have to return it, so that's right, return result. We have to traverse through nums. Obviously without that how can we start? So int int I equals 0, I less than nums dot length, and I plus plus. So first of all, the brute force approach would involve nested loops, which we don't want at all. So that's why the alternative is to use a map. Why to use a map? Because it possesses constant time complexity, and to traverse through the nums array such that we get hold of the index of every element of the nums array, a map would be beneficial. So let's just create a map which has integer key and an integer value. Let's say my map equals new hash map. Yeah. And second thing, we need to find the second number. So once we start looping through the nums array, we can get hold of the first number, that is the loop count. So for example, let's just take a sample test case 2, 7, 11, 15. When we loop through this, okay, and in this one the target was 9. So in this one, if we loop through this array, let's say we come across 2 at first. Now to achieve target 9, we have to add 7 to it, right? Then only it will equal to target, that is 9. So we have gotten the first number, that is a 2, but we need the second number as well, that is 7. How do we need it? How do we find it? And it's simple maths. It's basically target minus that nums of I. So num to find is target minus nums of I. So we found our num to find, I mean the second number. Now we'll check whether our map has that num to find or not. If it has, then we'll say result of 0 equals the loop count, I, and result of 1 sorry the result of 1 would be yeah, map dot get num to find. And once we have that, we'll just break out of it, and yeah. Oh yeah, and also we have to put into the map as well, right? So we'll I mean, if it contains, then it's fine, else we'll just keep on putting the numbers into the map. Sorry for my bad throat. Nums of I, sorry, not 1, I, and then we put the index. This I is basically what? The index of the element of the nums array. Keep in mind, yeah. So result is being returned. We can remove this comments and let's try it out. Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. I got carried away. It's contains key, not contains. Oh, looks good. 3 cases passed. So let's try to submit it. Yep, looks good. Other than that, I think it's good. Maybe we can wrap this up here. I hope it was of some help. So I'm in the constant process of improving my coding style. So stay tuned and thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.